Alright, this is take 10 of this video because I keep having to re-record it because I'm touching the earbuds as I'm recording it and demonstrating them, and I keep controlling and turning off the recording because I've already paired it. They are kind of sensitive in that way. These fit nicely in the ear. They pop in here, kind of magnetic. They plug in out here. They are snug. They're pretty much noise cancellation because how they fit in your ear. You don't really hear sounds around you that much. It's USB-C. Very small cord. Here's the box. It's the E90. I got these on Amazon and I got 60% off, so they only cost me about $17 and some change. Normally about 30 bucks, but these are definitely worth it. They sound nice. They have control. They pair easily. They're very nice. Give them a shot.
My review based on this product is outstanding. It's almost at the level of Beats by Dre. Really good, top quality. For 20 bucks, you can't beat that. You should go out and get you a pair of these and try them out. I promise you, you're gonna like them.